What's going on, guys? RickyMonYT here. Today I'm back with a brand new video. You know, we've been getting some calls, you know, haunted sewer pipes. So we were like, what's up? We'll go check it out. Investigating haunted tunnel, guys. We got here on the scooter over there. Scooter gang. It's right over there. We're gonna be checking it out. Heard it's like haunted or whatever. We're just trying to check it out. Come on, Jay. Got Jaren over there. It's gonna be a little difficult path to cross. There actually is like a little river down there. All right, let's try to do this without dying, guys. Went here the other day and we were hearing crazy sounds. It was actually almost near dark, bro. What? It's actually like really close to being dark, so it was really freaky. Kind of whack. This is gonna be like almost impossible to get through. All right, let's just go over. Let's go around. Actually, let's go around. I mean, look at all this stuff. It's pretty crazy, guys. There's some crazy stuff going on. So yeah, we figured we would. Oh, right. There's a trail right here. Figured we would check it out. Hold on, guys. Heard it's haunted of some sort, so we're checking it out. Oh, this is much easier than I thought. Yeah. So we heard it's haunted. We're just investigating. I mean, this place is pretty wicked, bro, if you ask me. Much easier. You know, we got here on our scooters because my bike's broken, so can't be very mobile with that. Haven't done a video in a while, guys. My apologies. All right, we're getting near. Woo! Dang, almost tripped. All right, and we're here, guys. Let's investigate it. The other day, it's right down here. Some pretty crazy stuff here, guys. Crazy. So we got this like algae. It's actually really slippery here, guys. What? Where do I go from here? What do you mean, bro? Where do I go from here? I'm stuck. I went around. Like, go over that thing. Go from up there. Over here? All right. Yeah. Like, yeah. Over? Yeah. All right. Bring my flashlight out. Let's go through this one first. Stuff is whack. Wait, bro, I can't even tell if my light's on or off. This is whack. It's up all the way, guys. I don't know if you guys can see it. Oh, bro, there's an echo in here. Whoa, this is like crazy, guys. Look at SpongeBob over here. It's pretty dope, actually. I'm gonna go in a little bit deeper, guys. Bro, if I drop my camera.
Ricky, it's not even that far. Just go straight through here.
Which one?
This one. There's less mud.
I'm just trying to. Oh, this is not even water. There isn't even stuff. This is crazy, guys. 1,000 likes and I'll lick the top of this. 1,000. That's like not even gonna happen. So.
Not even gonna get 1,000 views.
Wait, shut up. You wanna film? All right. Hand the camera. Don't drop it, bro. Hold on, 2 hands. This one. All right. Illuminati. What is this? Okay, let's go in. Oh, it's like the other day we came, bro. It was like crazy. This is loud. Get up. Get up, bro. Not really sure what all this is. There's a lot more. The fourth coming. Oh God. This is wicked, bro. Damn. Bro. This is even. Bro, come on. This is crazy. Peace sign. Yeah, this is much better than the other one. Film this, bro. Some like Japanese stuff. Oh, another OB. Oh, whoa, bro. Oh, that is whack. Dang. Nope. Should we go to the end? Alright. Good thumbnail, good thumbnail. This is actually. Wait, bro, did you hear that? I swear I just heard something. This place, bro, I've heard that this place is. Oh, bro, I didn't drop my phone. This place is haunted. I think it's a joke coming in here right on the left. Alright, let's go to the other one. People think it's a joke, Jaren. Pretty whack, if you ask me. I think the other one's like completely water. Xbox, is that what that is? Is that Xbox? I guess they were an Xbox fan. What's we? This is whack, bro. Xbox. You got our Xbox? What's that Xbox? Stuff's whacking, bro. Bro, that has got me wondering.
Just bring some spray paint in here.
Woo! We're out. Let's go to the last one. Alright, keep it down a little bit. Keep it down, don't really feel home.
Okay.
Alright, we got a thing. I've heard that this is like slippery. Yeah, we can't get through that. Look at all that. Dang, whoa, I just thought of something, guys. If this gets, how much likes do I want? If this gets over 10 likes, maybe, I will do, here, play the Ouija board. And this stuff's whack. Bro, I swear though, I swear I heard something over there. I swear this place is haunted. You know what this one, bro, should we do it at night? Play the Ouija board at night? Bro, that's whack. Stuff is whack. Stuff is whack, Jay. Alright, that's about it for discovering. Take this. Dang, guys, stuff is whack in there. Oh, zoomed in, I see. Dang, this place is whack, bro. Illuminati. It's got some spooky stuff in here, I swear. Yeah, so I guess this is about to wrap up our, it's just investigating. I swear though I heard something. I swear I heard something like right down over there. Yeah, so if this gets over 10 likes, I will do a Ouija board video right over there. Just chill, bring a blanket, sit down, stay a while. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. I swear, bro, heard something over there. I know I already said that like a lot of times, but it's whatever. What? Go back. I swear though, bro, this is freaking creepy. Bro, I heard it again. Bro, you think I'm joking? I'm not joking. I swear. Alright, this wraps up this video, bro. Hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a like and subscribe. I swear, bro. I swear I just heard it.